Am I live? Hello world. Hang on for a sec. I will be back. Over there. EVlog 2. Copy link address. Okay, I've told the peeps on Twitter that I am live. So, hello everyone. Yes, school, thank you. 07, Das. Yes, school, JF, Whackman, Ian Scott's in the house again. Clinton, HK, Stefano. What's up with Gitlab Hub and Gitlab? I will tell you. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, let me share my. Hang on. Okay. Okay. Everyone, I guarantee everyone is going to think this is the simplest thing. I've got a different camera today. The simplest thing possible. Right? But I swear I can't do it. Well, you know, like I just wanted to do this, right? I thought it'd just be drag and drop, simple, done, right? It was supposed to be a 2-second request of somebody on the EEV blog forum, and now it's turned into a complete saga. Right. So let me, I assume everyone can hear me, yeah? I assume my audio is good. All right, I will present, share screen. Oh, bloody hell. Why can't it just share screen? Boom. Okay. I'm now sharing my screen. Okay. Now, let me tell you what I wanted to do. Okay? I have a Gitlab account. Okay? I have a Gitlab account. It has stuff in it. Right? It has stuff in it over here. It actually has the 121 GW multimeter app in there, right? So it has the application in there, but it's the Android version. I thought that the iOS app was in here, but it's not, okay? So all I wanted to do was here's my files, right? I have the files. I want to copy all of this subdirectory, all the files that are in here, right? There's 800 and something, 886 files, right? In 312 folders, right? It's the entire Apple OS app for my 121 GW multimeter. All I wanted to do was put this on GitLab. That's it. So I thought, stupid me, right? Thought that I could just create, so you can see that I've actually created. Can I make this bigger? There you go. I can make this bigger. I thought that I would simply create a new project. So I created a new project, right? App for Apple iOS, right? And I go in here, and here it is. It's someone said don't create a README file, but I don't know. I created a README file. Stupid me, right? And yeah, and then somebody mentioned, right? And I can't find a way to just like drag stuff into here, right? Can't find a way to do it. And then somebody on Twitter, so I asked this on Twitter, everyone's going, oh, just do this, git commands and everything. And somebody very helpfully, thank you, said that they tell you, they give you the commands here, okay? They give you the commands here. And I thought, oh, beauty, I can do this. Even a dumbass like me can do this, okay? Audio's perfect. Thank you. I am sharing my screen, aren't I? Thank you, KR. No, Lutz says no. Git is not that simple unless you set up a procedure that you repeatedly use. Yeah, exactly. I don't use Git. I don't want to use Git. I don't use Gitlab. I don't want to use Gitlab, right? All I want to do is I have an existing project, local project on my hard drive that I want to just put on Gitlab so anyone else can just, like, there it is. Do whatever you want with it. I don't care, right? And I don't want to touch it ever again, right? So all I want to do is copy that project over. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. This is what people say. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Toss. Clone the GitHub repo on your computer. Copy the iOS files into the clone folder. Git commit the changes. Git push. I don't know what I kind of know what that means, but I don't know how to do it. Okay. You've got to understand, right? I'm a complete freaking noob at this Git stuff. When I worked at Altium, I used to use Tortoise, right? And I thought Tortoise SVN. I thought that was really good, right? I was really into that. But no, right? I don't use Git. I don't use Git. Like I know what a repo is, kind of. Like, you know, I know what a clone. I know what cloning does, and I know pushes things to the remote from local to remote or whatever. But the details of it, I'm completely lost at, right? Hang on. Yes, I do. Josh? Yes, I do. Okay. Now, look. I'll show it, right? So yes, I do have Git installed on Git for Windows, right? So all I want to do is copy this over. Now, I also have, I prefer to put it on GitLab because that's where the Android app is, but I also have a GitHub, right? So I also have a GitHub account, EVblog GitHub account. It's there, right? You can even get DaveCAD. It's got the original DaveCAD source files there. I'm not kidding. The original DaveCAD source files are there, right? So, and I've got this is the old, but once again, this is the Android one, right? Oh, there's my new one, right? So I created a new one. And you can actually, watch this, you can actually drag things over to here, right? Drop files, boom. But it tells you, yowza, that's a lot of files. Try uploading fewer than 100 at a time. So it won't do it. All right? So it won't do it. That's annoying. Okay? Hang on. Well, there we go. Right? So that's really annoying. Otherwise, I would have gone, yeah, it's on GitHub, right? Whatever. Okay? Now, somebody said use these commands here. Okay? Now, I tried that. Using these commands, right? So I went to my local subdirectory, right? Here it is. So I'm in the local file, the local folder, latest files, iOS EEVblog, and I use the command git remote add origin. I use the thing that it actually tells me over here, and then it says no, fatal. It's not a Git repository, right? So these commands don't work. So what the heck? And yes, I do have now. Interestingly, I do have, if I right click on this, I have Git GUI here. I have an option called Git GUI here and Git Bash here. I know Bash takes you to the command line thing, but if I go Git GUI here, okay, it loads up this. Okay, create new repository, clone existing repository, open existing repository. I try to do that, but it wants a local file. So I guess you have to create a repository first. Right? I'm hoping that people can appreciate how stupid and hard all this is for a complete noob like me who just has local files and they just want to put it on GitHub so the world can use it, right? And if I had less than 100 files, GitHub would have worked because I could have just dragged them over. Right? But I'm not going to go add, like you saw it. Well, what was it? 100 subdirectories or something? 80 subdirectories? Like it was a lot, right? I'm not going to go create them all manually, right? See? Here's someone. Stop talking and do git init. OMH, whatever OMH means, right? Oh my God. Git can be, yeah, exactly, right? Did you clone the repo on Git desktop? What does that mean? Seriously, like people are throwing all this stuff at me. And you've got to understand, right? This is what happens when you, like, I'm sure if I use Git every day, it's boom, boom, right? It's a nothing burger. But all I want to do is one thing, copy the project that I have into GitLab or even into GitHub. How do I do it? Git init, okay? What does this mean, right? Everyone's saying git init, right? Git clone, then push it, right? Go to git init, then do commands in GitLab, right? Ian Scott, I'm 100%, I am with you 100%, Dave. I'm sure it's not easy, but it's rocket science to me. Yeah, okay, so you don't use it either, right? It's like clone the repo you have on GitHub, right? Clone the repo you have in GitLab already existing, which is an empty project now. Once again, what does that mean, right? How do I clone the repo? You need to initialize a new Git folder by using the git init command. The Git folder stores the receipt. Thank you, VLong. This is getting a bit more explanatory for a noob like me. Okay, so I need to initiate, right, so the problem is I don't have a Git folder. Okay, thank you. Right, now we're getting somewhere, okay? See what happens, right? When, like, people just say, do this, git init, right? You just throw all these terms at a noob. And we have no idea. Now I'm starting to understand, right? The Git folder stores the repository, commit changes, etc. Right. So that's why my command line thing here didn't work. Is that correct? Not a Git repository, okay? That's why, yeah, that's why it's saying not a Git repository there. Yeah? Oh, sorry, you can't see that. I'll hide that comment. Yeah, that's why it's saying not a Git repository. Ask ChatGPT. Yeah. I should have. No, I'm not. No, I am not going to stop ranting about it. Look, I want to do the simplest thing. I want to put it on GitHub or GitLab or whatever so that the world can use it. Okay, because everyone uses GitHub or whatever. Everyone uses Git, right? So I'm trying to do the right thing. I'm trying to release my source code to the public. I have it all here. 800 plus files in, countless subdirectories, and I just want to put it on there. This should have been a couple of minutes. This should have been a couple of minutes to drag and drop this and done, right? And no, I am not going to stop ranting about it until someone makes this bloody easier to do. Since you created a README already, you need to pull it first. Git init will cause it to fail. Git clone pulls the most recent version with the README and allows it to sync. Okay, yep. Somebody else mentioned on Twitter that I shouldn't have created the README or something. So I've screwed the pooch there, have I? All I need is a folder. You don't need to init. See? Right? Once again, conflicting information. A whole bunch of other people said, git init, git init, git init. Effing Git nerds. Right? Right? Can people appreciate, can people at least appreciate the simplicity of what I want to do? Right? I've created a thing over here. I just want to put these files. I just want to drag them over. And then be done with it. Can people appreciate that there are people out there like me who just want to do that? Right? And why is this not possible? And you seem to be able to do it on GitHub. And I think it's been a long time, right? I think this is how I've put stuff on GitHub before. I think I've just dragged it over and I don't know, because it's less than 100 files it does it. Okay? Is there like, I swear this is just ridiculous. There are too many cooks in this kitchen. Somebody said there's too many cooks in this kitchen. Yeah. You can send me a down-to-earth tutorial. Thank you. Git is not as intuitive as it should be. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Like, I'm sure if you use it every day, but like, I don't want to use it every day. That's the point, right? I don't want to have to learn how to do all this. I just want to release some source code to the world. That's all I want to do. And I want to do it in the nicest way possible, which everyone says is Git, right? And, you know, Git is not a remote file share. You are using it wrong. Yeah, I understand how it's a repository and versioning control and all that sort of stuff. But, like, I just want to put my files on there, right? I've got my repository. I just want to put files in my repository. GitHub and Gitlab UI are just wrappers around Git. They provide functionality to make it easier, but it's not the proper way to do it. That's why they have limitations. Well, I can't see why they have limitations. Why does GitHub, for example, why does it let me drag 100 files? Why not more? Why not more? Like, if it can do 100, well, why can't it do 1,000? Right? Seriously, this would have taken me a minute if this had worked. If there's a drag files here to add them to your repository, there it is in big, bold print, right? And I dragged them and it says, sorry, you've got over 100, bugger off. Go figure out some other way to do it. Like, Jesus. Kezi is wrong. Yes, we understand what you want. Yes, but you must make the first step somehow. Yeah, okay, which is creating a Git thing. Because no one wants to do that. Really? I want to do that. You're saying I'm the only one on this planet who already has a local project and just wants to put it on GitHub. Really? Bullshit. Bullshit. I'm calling bullshit on that one. Right? Oh, because your browser cannot handle that. You're saying that's a browser limitation. Oh, fair enough. Okay. Yeah, fair call. Just copy the URL and clone. Okay. How do I do that? I already told you. I tried that, okay? Because it's not a Git repository. So how do I create a Git repository in, right? Am I doing this right? If I simply create a Git repository in here, if I create, is there like a .git file or something that I have to put in here? How do I do it? Can I go Git GUI? Can I go Git GUI like this? Is this correct? Am I doing it right? Before I do it, can I just create new repository right here? What does that mean? Hang on. Sorry, it's too many people. Oh, shit. You clone the repository in a local folder. How do I do that? Right? Just make an archive, publish it somewhere, and let people download links. Someone will use it and do it for you. Yeah. Yeah, no, but I want to put it on my own. Like, I want to put it on my own GitHub account or GitLab account. Git init. Don't need to create it. You're saying I don't need to create it. Yet other people are telling me I need to create. Git init. Right? So you're saying that if I go over here, right? Okay, I'm in this folder. Git init. Is this correct? Is this correct? Give me a yes or no right now. Is this correct? See, somebody said forget about init, right? The init guys are wrong. No, don't. No, right? So I've got a bunch of people telling me git init, and I've got a whole bunch of other people telling me no. Right? Okay, no. Git clone URL. Is that what I need to do? He's already created the repository. Stop giving him conflicting instructions. Yes, I've already created the repository on my Git account, and I already have the URL, right? So I've already got the URL. There it is there. There is the URL, right? But if I do these commands, it doesn't work, right? Thank you. I appreciate it, but how do I know you're not going to like send me on a multi-hour Git, tutorial, thing, right? When I just want to do one thing. I don't want to learn Git. I don't want to learn it. I just want to put my files, please. I just want to put my files into this GitHub repository. That's all I've got. I've got the URL, right? How do I get? Forget everything. How do I get these files? How do I get this subdirectory with all its files and all its subdirectories into this existing Git repository which I have? Git clone. Okay, so is that correct? Is that correct? Can people give me a yes, no, whether I should type git clone like that, and then, oh yeah, I can git clone. Is that correct? Should I put in that command? Should I press enter? Should I press enter on that? Yes, 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 yes. Just type git clone your link. Yes. Thank you. Okay, everyone says yes. I've got dozens of yeses. Okay, here I am. Thank you. I'm going to press it. Oh. Huh? What? Enter. Yes! Enumerate. What's it? Unpacking. What? Done already? It can't be that quick. Cloning into. Enumerating objects. 3. Done. Counting objects. 100% 3 of 3. It doesn't sound right. What's gone wrong here? Wait. Again, run it in another directory. I don't want to run it into... That is an empty directory. Yeah, but I want the folders. I wanted all the folders. You can now add your shit. The shit's already there. Look. I think everyone led me up the garden path. Look, the shit's already there. Look, all this, right? Oh, hang on. It's added. It's added a subdirectory. It's added a .git. Okay, look, all these files are here. Look, I swear. Oh, look, it already had a git. It already had a git. It already had a git in there. Right? Back up, look, all these files, right? All these files are here. Core plot? I don't know. Core plot headers? Oh, empty. What? Everything's empty. What? What? Everything's empty. What? The hell? Why is it empty? Oh. What? What the hell is going on here? Hang on. What the hell? Oh, up. There you go. Sorry. I was pushing back. Right. Mac OS, I don't know what that folder is. But all this, there should be files in here. Yeah, look, right? There's definitely files in here. Right? Images. Right? There's all the, yep, it's all in there. Right? So what are people... Nothing I should care about in the Git directory. Oh, for fuck's sake, this is frustrating. Here, create a new folder and change to that folder and repeat the git clone command. What? Why? I want to use my existing folder. This one. I want to use this one that has all of my files in it. All I want to do is put them over. Copy all the files you want added, but I don't want to copy the files in there. I've already got the files. They're already in there. I asked everyone that I wanted to copy this subdirectory into here, and everyone said, do this, and it would do it. Git clone, and it didn't do it. You failed me. It's not possible to use the existing folder. Why didn't anyone tell me that before? Right? Git won't let you because of the README. Now somebody else is saying that the README's the problem again. Yes, correct. I don't understand the fundamentals. That's right, and I don't want to learn the fundamentals. I just want someone to tell me what things I need to do to copy, like... The only way to do what you want to do is put the files in the new folder. What? Okay. All right. Fuck. Now someone is saying README is not the problem, right? What the fuck? Seriously? You need to listen to one person. Oh, really? Who? Yeah, this would have taken 5 minutes with proper guidance, right? Just copy EEVblog and EEVblog xprog into the new folder. Okay, right. Where is the new folder? Here is the new folder, okay? Here it is, right? Okay, now, please, everyone stop saying everything, okay? Shut up. NZC, right? Piss off. You're not helping, okay? Right. Okay. Can please everyone stop talking? Everyone stop talking in the chat. Please stop talking. Okay? Now, I know there's a latency here. Okay. No, please stop talking. There's probably a latency here. Okay. Right. We have created a new subdirectory here. Right? It's got a README in it. It's got a .git. Okay? It's got hooks and things. I don't know. Right? We have created this. We just created this. Look at the date and time. Okay? So is this the new directory everyone's talking about? Yes or no? Geez, the lag sucks. Yes or no? This is the new directory I just created. Is that correct? Yes, 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 yes. Thank you. Okay, stop talking. This is the only way this works, seriously, with chatlog. Now, several people have told me, just copy. Well, I guess both of these? If I just copy both of these subdirectories into here, if I just drag them into here, will that work? Yes or no? Someone says not the OS X. Okay. Just EEVblog. Copy and paste in the new folder. Then there are 2 more steps and you're done. Well, I don't know what files I want. All I know is that this is the folder that has all of my app for the iOS. So I would have presumed that I copy both of those, but I don't know, because I don't know how iOS apps work. Yes, so people are saying copy this stuff over, but somebody said not Mac OS X. Right, so if I drag EEVblog into here, or copy it, if I copy it into here, then it'll magically appear in my repo here. Is that correct? Yes? Put it all in. Yes or no? Is that going to work? Another one says I don't need Mac OS X. Okay, fine. Yep. Okay, again, you've said that copy is the first step. There are 2 steps after that. Okay. All right. All right. I'm going to do it. You have to commit and push. Okay. Yep. Yep. Fair enough. Okay. Done. I will do that. Okay. Where's my blip, 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 blip. Okay. I am going to copy EEVblog. Control C. And I'm going to go Control V. copying. No. Oh, what? Everyone's saying no now? No, no, no. Everyone's saying no. Oh, fuck's sake. Have I done the wrong thing? Yeah, I don't know why it's so slow. Doing good. Someone says I'm doing good. It won't. Someone says it won't work. Rollful, you have another Git inside. Yeah, well, fuck. Like, I swear this is just absolutely insane, right? That's fine. Don't listen to the no's. See, some people are saying that's fine. Others are saying no, no, no. There's a Git inside that we will delete. Fine. Okay, so I delete this Git. Okay. Please don't say anything else. Do I delete this .git inside here? Do I delete it? Yes or no? I will wait for everyone's response. This is hilarious. No, 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 not this. No, inside the EEV blog folder. You delete the Git, the one in EEV blog. Okay, everyone says the one in here. Ah, okay. So you want me to kill this .git in here? Is that correct? Kill the .git inside here. Is that correct? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Do it! Do it! Do it! All right, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to delete. Do you wish to permanently delete this folder? Yeah. I should have done this on a copy, right? Okay. Xcode project. Is that all the code? I don't know. Is that all the code? I'm not losing anything. Stefano seems to be on the ball. Maybe I should listen to Stefano. And yes, for the person who mentioned Tortoise SVN, when I worked at Altium, they used Tortoise SVN, and I was cool with that. Like, oh, I was all over that shit. I thought it was great. Don't stress. The Git folder is just your history of changes. Worst case scenario, you can recreate it as of now with like 2 commands. Cool. All right. Move these folders up 1 level. Okay, right. Hang on. I'm going up a level. Okay. So now, hang on. Right. So this is our new Git. So we deleted the old Git inside here. This is our new Git. Open the new. What? Hang on. Open the Git GUI. Okay, so this is the new Git. Okay. All right. So, all right. Yep, here we go. All right, so we've copied all the code in there. This is the .git. What do I do now? What do I do now? Move those 2 folders up 1 directory. What? You want me to move these 2 folders into here? Why? What does that make it? Why does that matter? What, it can't do nested subdirectories? Doesn't make sense. Open terminal here. Oh, cosmetics to make it nicer. Okay, right. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Oh, hang on. Oh, damn it. What have I done? Can't be completed because the folder or file isn't... Oh, shit. What have I done? Hang on. Hang on. I'm going to take this out of here. Sorry. That was stupid. Sorry, I know exactly what you mean, but I screwed the pooch. Shit. Okay. Sorry, give me a minute. Give me a minute. Oh, damn it. No, because it's the same name. It's the same freaking name. Oh, shit. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. It's the same name. I'll rename it. Boom. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, it is now there, right? It is now EEV blog and Xcode project, right? It's all there. Can somebody confirm, can everyone confirm that I don't need this Mac OS X? Can everyone confirm that? Yes or no? Do I need the Mac OS X? You don't need it? Yes. Does that mean yes, I do need it, or yes, I don't need it? Yes, just Mac junk. Okay, don't need it, no clue. Mac OS nonsense file. Okay, sounds good. All right. All right, everything's here. What do I do now? Oh, sorry, here. We're in this subdirectory. What do we do now? Do I have to get in close? Yes, I agree. It feels like I'm getting close. If I go into... Oh, God. I've got to actually copy that and go over here and CD. Boom. Right? So I'm into that subdirectory now. Okay? There it is there. Right? So I'm at the command line. What do I do now? Right click. Ah. So you're saying, somebody says... Oh, no, sorry, wrong one. Bloody. I just do git add. I just do git add. Yeah? Everyone's saying, if I type in git add dot, I assume I have to put that dot in. The dot is relevant. He won't notice that. I did notice that. Huh? I did notice that. Give me some credit. Come on. Yeah, pat on the back. All right, I did notice that dot, and I noticed it might, and I figured it might be significant. Can everyone say yes? That is the correct thing to do. Git add dot. Yes, yes, yes. Should I go for it? I think everyone's saying yes. Dot is current directory. Yeah. Yep. Yes, yes, yes. I get credit. All right, here I go. Git add. Whoa. The file will have the original CLF, right? Oh, okay. It's yay! Thank you, people. It's doing all the subdirectories too. That's it. Was that the 800 files? Oh, the 800 files might have been the Mac OS X crap, right? Might have been the Mac OS X crap. Dave crowdsourced his commit. So is that done? Ignore the Windows crowds. So if I go over here now, does that, if I refresh that, is my stuff going to be there? Where can I see my stuff? Or have I not done it yet? Do I have another step? My file's up there. Oh, I've got to push it. Okay. Okay. So do I go back to the command line for that? What do I do now? I have to commit and push. How do I do that? What is the command I use? 2 more commands. Someone says git commit -m. Git commit dash. Someone says -a-m. And then I give it a string. Day crowdsourced this commit. I do like that. Is this what I do? Is that correct? Can somebody give me go, no go for launch? Go, no go for launch. A means all. So do I add the A or not? Is the A implied or something? Someone says go. Someone says go. No, dash before commit. I did a dash before commit. Commit is wrong. What? Without the dash on the commit. Is that correct? Git commit -m. Someone says there's no need for the A. I didn't think so. I would have thought it would do with the stuff that you've copied and added. Send it. Launch. Hit enter. Yes. 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 Don't wait. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I need confirmation. We have a go, no go for launch. Guidance. Go. Commit. Go. Punch it. All right, I'm going to punch it. Oh. There we go. It's thinking about it. Woo! Woo! Woot! Okay, there's not that many files there, actually, is there? Yeah, there's not. It's not a huge number of files, really. I thought there would have been more stuff than that. There's lots of dot headers. Where are the dot Cs or whatever? Where's the actual code? Where are the dot C files? Like, does anyone know? Git remote and then git push. What? Oh, so I've committed it to the local git and now I've got to push it. Is that correct? Git push. So if I go git push, git push, can I have a go, no go for git push? Yes, yes, just go push. Yes, 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 yes. Everyone's saying yes. All right, that sounds good. All right, git push. I'm pushing. Fatal. Authentication failed. Remote HTTP basic. Access denied. The provided password or token is incorrect or your account has 2FA enabled. Oh, fuck's sake. Fuck. Really? Seriously? At this point, I'm thinking about just throwing in the towel. Just completely giving up and saying this is just bullshit. I just don't want to deal with this. I'm supposed to be finishing my video today, and yet here I am being sucked down the rabbit hole. this stupid Git bullshit, right? I'm 99% done. No way in the world you'll be able to sort that one. FTP server, don't give up. Upload a zip. How do I upload a zip? I'm learning. Yay, I'm learning. I didn't want to learn. I just wanted to do a task. I didn't want to learn Git. I did not want to learn Git. I said that right at the start. Can someone please, in plain newbie English, tell me what to do now? See, somebody says don't upload a Git. Other people said don't upload a zip. Other people said just zip the files and drag and drop into Git. I could do that, actually. That's probably not a bad... Set up SSH keys. I don't want to set up SSH keys. No. I refuse. I refuse to do it. No. I refuse to do it. I didn't even know I had 2FA set up for this GitLab thing. All I do is I go in through the web browser and I've got a password and I get in. I didn't... No. Just disable 2FA for this push. You need to add your keys. A HTTP... No. I refuse to do it. I refuse to do it. Nope. Bugger it. If I zip... Okay, can people tell me, if I have my GitHub here, I can drag files into my GitHub. If I zip all those files in the subdirectory and simply drag in the zip in there, will that work? Yes or no? Yes, you can do it, says Andrew. But my life will be complete if you do. I don't care. I don't care. Nope. It has ruined me. Nope. I drew the line. I followed all the instructions. I did it. And then, nope, bam. Nope. It did, no. I refuse to go any further. The line must be drawn here. It will be a zip file. Not ideal, but it'll work. It'll probably commit the zip, not the contents. Yeah, I think so. At this point, I'll just put it on a public freaking Dropbox. You know, like... But no, I was trying to do the nice thing by the community by putting it on GitHub or GitLab. And now I've wasted like hours on this, right? When I should be making a video. It'll be committed as a zip file. Yeah. It just, it kind of defeats the purpose. I think uploading a zip to here kind of defeats the purpose of putting it on zip. Git. I may as well, because there's no version control on that zip file, right? It doesn't go into the zip and then version all the files in there, so it's pointless, right? So I may as well just put it on a Dropbox. Hopefully I get something for this frustration. And pay them $5 to do it. Yeah, I should go on. Yeah. I should give someone the password to my GitLab or whatever. Yeah. Did I learn my RTFM lesson for today? Well, I did. I followed the manual, which is the crowdsourcing, and it didn't work. Because it's all freaking, I don't know, 2FA version controlled, 2FA secured or whatever. All right. Nah. All right. No. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. Thank you, everyone, for helping. We did get to the point where it should have worked, but it didn't because of a two-factor authentication, some sort of authentication secure key thing that I didn't know was even set up in here. Yep. Didn't even know it's set up in there. Just drag that folder. I can't. I can't drag the folder. GitLab does not work like that, and GitHub is too small. Sorry. Oh well, hang on. No. Hang on. I will, because I know I don't need that Mac OS X subdirectory, right? Can I just drag? Yeah, hang on. Maybe I can do that. Maybe I can do this. Can I just drag this Xcode project straight? How many files inside here? 7 files, 8 folders. Cool bananas. Right? I should be able to, and this one is 248 files, 18 folders. Okay, so I can't do that. But I swear I can do this, right? I bet you this works. Boom! Look at that. Look at that. Magic. Magic. Right? This is how it should work. Right? This is how it should work. GitHub, great. Just drag your files over. None. You know, you don't have to worry about any of this command line bullshit. Right? And yeah, right, but I can't do that. Well, I can actually create a folder. So I can then, okay, what? I'll tell you what, I will do this manually. I won't give up. Watch this. I will create a file. How do I create a directory here? How do I create a directory? Can somebody tell me how I create a directory in here? How do I create the EEV blog directory? Yes, that's what I plan on doing, Stefano. I plan on dragging the other files in batches, yes, but I need to create a directory here so it goes in. I need to create a directory. I can't just drag the folder, guys. I can't. It's more than 100 files. There is a limit. Watch. Watch. Right? I was able to drag this one, no problems, but I can't drag this one. That's a lot of files. Try uploading fewer than 100 at a time. See? Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Can somebody tell me how to create a subdirectory? You need to do multiple commits. Okay. So should I commit this one first? Should I hit this green button down here? Commit changes. Yes or no? Yeah, you can't do that from the current page. Yeah, I realize that. Should I hit commit changes? And then I'll be able to create subdirectories, yeah? Is that correct? Yes. Everyone says yes. There you go. Processing your files. Cool bananas. All right, yep, there it is. Okay, and now, yeah. Add file. I can create new file. No, I want to, how do I create a new subdirectory from here? I think I've done this before. I can't remember though. I want to create a subdirectory in here. How do I do it? Rename the EEV blog folder, create a new folder called just move the files in batches. Oh, yeah. Yeah, but I just want to... You cannot add fake file. Add file. Does it ask create new file? No, see, it creates it. No, it's actually creating a text file. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. I want to create a subdirectory. Add files via upload. Hello? Yeah. No. You can't create an empty directory. You have to put something in it. Oh, okay. Right. Yeah. Right. I know how to do this. Thank you. Yep. I know. Create. Oh, hang on. I'll call that EEV blog 2. I'll create a new folder called EEV blog. Watch this. I have the tools. I have the talent. Watch this. Nope. EV blog. I've got some files. There you go. I can do this. There you go. And then I'm going to drag this over. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. Yep. See? Ah, genius. Genius. And then I commit. I know how to do this. Processing your files. Look at this. Ha! I'm a Git god. I am a Git god. And now, now I drag files into here, right? Can I drag, if I drag files into here, will it go into this EEV blog subdirectory? Sorry, if I drag these one by one into here, will that work? It's not going to work. It's going to work, damn it. Someone says it's not going to work. Yes, somebody says, Frank says yes. Stefano says now drop each subdirectory. Stefano's the man. I reckon Stefano's been the most reliable in this chat. Try it. Try it. Everyone says try it. Because most like I've had Git experts who don't know how to use this web interface, right? And they just go, oh, no, don't ask me. I only use Git every day. I'm an expert. But yeah, because they just use the command line interface. They don't know about this like web interface thing. All right. So if I go like this, I'll just commit the one change and see if it worked. Yeah, I think it worked. EV blog? Yep, it works. Yep, thank you. I'm going to do it. Okay, I guess, can I just do like this? Boom. Can I just do like 3 at a time or something? Ah. 2 at a time. Come on. 2 at a time. Oh, come on. Hang on. This one might have too many. Core plot. Oh, core plot doesn't work. That's annoying. Data manager. Does data manager works? Data manager works. Images. Does images work? Images works. 18 files. View manager. This is second last subdirectory. Oh, I didn't let the other one finish. I hope that was okay. Hope it can handle that. Yeah, I think it did. Cool bananas. Come on. Press period key. Commit changes. Boom. Look at this. I'm a Git god. See, I should have done this from scratch. I should have just like manually, like, you know, copy one subdirectory over at a time, blah, blah, blah. Right? So the only thing missing now, is this core plot, because core plot, annoyingly, contains these files. So I've got to do the same thing, do I? Which is annoying. Like I can't just copy. I've got to rename core plot 2.2. So if I rename core plot 2.2, right? If I rename core plot 2.2.2, and then I go create core plot 2.2. Well, I don't think case matters. And then I copy that into there, and then go back, and then I go core plot 2.2. Case does matter, does it? Case matters. Yeah, I'm cooking with gas. You betcha I'm cooking with gas. Although gas is banned now, isn't it? Another one again, gas stoves and gas everywhere. They've already announced in Canberra here in Australia, our capital, the capital of Australia, they've announced that they want to ban new gas connections or something. Dickheads. Okay, commit. Man, look at this. I am cooking with gas. Keep dragging. Keep dragging. Yep, awesome. Get in there. Yep. I got two more. I got two more subdirectories. This should work now. All right. This should work. Core plot 2.2. Go into here. Core plot headers. What? It didn't. There was nothing there. What? Whoa, what happened there? Is there anything inside? Yeah, there's tons of stuff inside core plot headers. Core plot framework. Oh, core plot framework's got a lot. Core plot framework. 88 files. Whoa, just under that 100 limit. I'm getting there. I'll keep using my gas stove, even if I have to eat the cabbage and eggs to power it. Yeah, it makes no sense to ban gas. It's just stupid. It's just absolutely stupid. And this is coming from an environmentalist whose wife is actually like a real legit environmentalist. That's her job. She's an environmental scientist. Yeah. Look at this. So, can somebody confirm that 100 file limit is a browser thing? Or is it the actual GitHub code? Is it the actual GitHub browser code? Or is it an actual browser limit? I would have thought there wouldn't be a browser limit. Yeah, this is proof that normal video... this video is proof that normal people aren't going to use GitHub. Yeah. Or at least, see, I don't want to use GitHub. I don't want to use it. I just want to put it on there so that other people can use it. I just want to share my stuff. And I don't think... Oh, I didn't do a capital B in the EEV blog folder? That doesn't matter. And it's not. It's not a capital B unless there's color highlighting. It's the web client. There's no limit on Git. It's a GitHub thing. They limit it. I did lose some respect for Git now. Look, dude, Mario, right? Today, I just wanted to finish my video, okay? But somebody on the EV blog forum wanted me to upload the source code for the Apple iOS for the 121 GW app, all right? And I thought, yeah, no worries, I can do that. I thought it was already on there. But no worries, I can do that. I've got my GitLab account. I've got my GitHub account. I can just drag the folder over. Job done, right? I got nothing wrong with learning new skills, right? I'd love to learn GitHub, okay? But I don't want to do it now. I don't have the time nor the inclination to learn GitHub just to do this. I wanted to do the simple thing of taking my subdirectory, putting it on here, to my existing GitLab or GitHub account, and that was it. So that so that the files are out so that I share them with the world, right? Is that too much to ask, right? I should not have to learn GitHub to do that, right? I should not have to learn Git just to do that, right? And yes, it required more time to actually do it and then to learn, but, right, I did learn, okay? I learnt the commands, how to do it. And then we ran into another bottleneck, which was the stupid SSL, you know, the secure key, you know, encryption thing, right? Which is yet another bottleneck, okay? Like, so, yeah. So don't give me that bullshit, all right? Is limit imposed by GitHub? Just because your browser has no limit does not mean it is able to handle unlimited number without crashing. Yeah, I would have thought they, you know, can't they, I don't know, can't they batch it? I don't know. I don't see it. If you can handle 100, why can't you handle 1,000? I don't get it. Right. So where were we? Core plot. 2-point core plot framework. Right. So we're in our core plot there. Core plot thing. Where were we? So we've done all of core plot framework because that was what 88 files or whatever. Yep. Now, core plot headers. Oh no, 79 files. It should just work. Somebody said just drag it again. I think you're right. Yeah. I don't know why it didn't work the first time. All right. At the end of this, that is job done. Can somebody please confirm that the capital B in EEV blog subdirectory, is that going to matter? I don't... Is that going to matter? I don't think... I can't remember the history of all this. It shouldn't matter. The code is on GitHub. Thank you for confirming, Kev. Code is on GitHub. I've been able to fork your repository. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. I totally agree. You know, you have to put a limit. You know, but 100, like when you like we're not talking like huge files. We're talking like little C files and header files and things. And projects usually have hundreds of files. You know, it's not uncommon to have hundreds of, you know, when you've got all these dependencies and whatnot and includes and all sorts of, you know, weird and wonderful things. Like, yeah, hundreds not much. So, yeah, and just, well, for this app, yeah, I had more than 100, so that was a showstopper. Otherwise, I would never have done this video. I would have just, boom, over there. I would have given up on Gitlab and just put it on GitHub. So, yeah. So, there you go. I will commit that and commit changes. And the reason this took so long is because there were so many people. Thanks to everyone for helping out, by the way. Really appreciate it. The issue was, though, that there are so many people telling me different ways to do it. And that's the problem. That's why I had to say, stop talking. And I had to figure it out. I had to figure out what I thought was the most reliable thing people were telling me, and then saying yes, no. Then asking people yes, no. That was the only way to do it. Otherwise, it's just chaos in the chat. You know. You have a mix of cases. Absolutely, the capital B matters. You have a mix of cases, right? The capital B. So can I rename that? Can I rename that? How do I rename? Can I? Is it possible to rename that? If it matters? Does it? Why would it matter? Why would it matter? Is that because it's capital B here in Xcode Proj? Is that why? Can somebody... Everyone has learned his own correct way. Yeah, exactly. I think a lot of the problem is people overcomplicating it and thinking that I'm trying to learn Git. I was not trying to learn Git. I simply wanted to do this one task that I thought was easy and should be easy. And, you know, just I have an existing project. I just want to put it on there. That's it. And GitHub allows me to do that, right? That was really easy. That was just drag and drop. It was really easy. But it was limited to 100 files. So that's why I went, oh, I don't want to dick around with that. I'll try and do the Gitlab thing. That turned out to be too hard because it's all secure and we have to use the commands. I messed it up when I did the renaming thing. It matters because Linux is case sensitive and Windows is not. So Git is case sensitive. It depends on the file system you try to Unix. Understand GitHub is a wrapper interface is only intended for simple tasks. Yeah. I totally understand that, Trev. Yep. Your code is looking for so case matters. Okay. Can somebody tell me how I can rename that subdirectory? Please, somebody help me. How do I rename EEV blog to capital B? There you go. I hit decimal point. It gives me online Visual Studio. Yeah, I do remember David. I do remember David too telling me how to do this. Can I do it here? Rename! Ha! Thank you. EEV blog. EEV blog. Whoa, it's doing 329 files? What? It's got a... Okay, because it's got a... Like it has to redo all 500 files? Okay. So is that done now? Is that done? Do I... How do I just... Like, if I go back into here and I... Like... Oh, no, sorry. How do I get back out of this GUI thing? Click on that icon with the change. Oh. Yeah? Commit and push. Okay. Ah, yeah. It's renamed. Right. Okay. Commit and push. You must specify a commit message. This sucks. No, this was actually easy. That was easy. No. Renamed to capital B because all the nerds on the chat said so. There you go. Commit. Your changes. Yeah. Hello. Yes. Go. Commit. Cool. Yeah, I do like this. It's a Microsoft thing, but it's like an online, it's like a browser-based Visual Studio or whatever, isn't it? I don't agree that GUI is a bad idea. The GitHub GUI, there's a lot of issues with it. I've done videos on it before. But it's simple, but I was able to simply drag and drop. I was able to create a new project and then drag it. Got a delivery. G'day, good. Just leave it outside. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Wow. All right, for Dave? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, cool. All right, thank you very much. Yep, that'll just like the store. That's it. Whoa. Hang on, be there in a sec. Oh wow, this is heavy. check it out. Check out what I got. If everyone's sticking around, you can see what just turned up. Hang on, so I'm done, right? So how do I get back to the main thing? Can I just go back to see, go back, click to go, do I just hit the back button? It is not another scope. Go to your repository. Ta-da. Yep, there we go. It's capital B. All done. Thank you, everyone, for helping out. It's a shame, like I wanted it on Gitlab, and we got there in the end. But we were just thwarted by the secure keys. I'll have to go in and find, like, there's probably settings and, I don't know, go in there and figure out the authentication stuff. Yeah, I totally understand Git. I do understand it. I understand version control. I do understand. But when you're a noob, like, I hope people can appreciate when you just want to, when you don't actually want to use Git, but you want to share your stuff with the world who uses Git, right? Then it's just not easy to do that. Well, it is if you've got less than 100 files. Right, and you do it on GitHub, but GitLab, it's a GitLab personal access token, is it? Okay, I don't know. I think David Ledger originally set it up, and because he used GitLab, he preferred GitLab over GitHub for some reason. I don't know, and that's why the original Android source code's there. But I thought he put the Apple code on there as well, but apparently he didn't. So, yeah. Someone else agrees the 100 file limit is a pain. Yeah, especially like when you're talking about projects, like any reasonable size source code might, could easily have 100 files, right? Yeah, Tortoise. Yeah, as I mentioned at Altium, we use Tortoise SVN. We use Tortoise SVN for all the source code, and we even used it for like hardware files and everything. So all the PCB and project files and everything, that they're all version controlled using Tortoise SVN, and I really enjoyed that. Really enjoyed it. It was a nice interface that interfaced with Windows Explorer, and it was just it's just nice. Yeah. Someone, what is SVN not a thing anymore? People don't use it. I don't know. But yeah, that's what Altium used for all their source code version control. And in the hardware group, we used it as well for all of our projects. So anyway, I will remove that and we'll go to this and I'll show you what I got. There are 3 large boxes. They're pretty heavy, and it comes from, I won't show my address, but I will give a plug to, oh God, it's heavy. I'll give a plug to Hawker Richardson. I don't know how I'm going to give all this is all for giveaway. So Hawker Richardson, thank you very much. They're a local supplier. They do the Mantis microscopes, and they do all soldering gear and all sorts of stuff. What they sent me is oh my God, oh jeez, wow! They went to all the effort to put it in gel packs. They and ice packs to keep it cool. What they've got is they've sent me solder paste, Indium brand solder paste. That's half a kilo, and they're all expired, right? So they're all expired. So it looks like them. Well, at least this one is, right? At a they are out of date, but they say they'll still work. I don't know. Does anyone know like how out of date solder paste can be? But yeah, I've got like there's got to be 20 kilo. Like there's got to be 20 or 30 of these. So that's at least 15. I reckon that's 15 kilos worth of solder paste. That's just one box. And the other one, the other box has tubs of solder paste. So yeah, they were going to throw it out. So they said, hey, do you want all this solder paste? I don't have a fridge big enough to keep it all in. I'm going to have to empty my little mini bar fridge here. Still good to use. Goes hard. Yeah. What time is it here? It's 12:46 p.m. It's lunchtime. It's midday here in Australia. Half kilo is a lot. Keep it in a fridge. It'll last well past expiry. Yeah, that's right. It's more than 15 kilos. I've got 3 boxes. This is only one box, right? This is only one box. So, yeah. So I'm going to have to find who wants all this stuff. Obviously, probably can't post it because you'd have to use these gel packs. So obviously they've used these gel packs to, send in all this stuff. What are you planning to do with that? I plan to give it away. So if anyone wants solder paste, but you kind of like have to be local. Like I can't, like I'm not going to ship it overseas. I'm not going to like. Yep. So that's the yeah. So I've got, and look, I'll go open the other box. Oh boy, that is a lot of stuff. Uh-oh, that one's cracked. Oh no, it's still got the... So yeah, so it's indium. There you go. 6040, so that's lead. So I've got some leaded and the green, and I got another whole box of like maybe 15 kilos of, so maybe 30 tubes of green, which is obviously, that would be, so the other stuff I had just here, that would be indium type, I can't read that, but there you go, and you got your lead-free stuff. Got your lead-free stuff. When does that expire? Oh, 2016. They've had that a long time. Oh, wow. Okay. That's 2016. That is 2016, right? Yeah. Wow. Okay. That is ancient. Wow. Wonder if that's still going to be good. I doubt it. Anyway, I'm going to give this stuff... Oh yeah, that's August 21. So yeah, so the stuff in tubes, maybe the stuff in, what's the date on this? No, September 2020. So that's So it looks like I've got a mix of stuff, but yeah, who wants some solder paste? Come get it. Come get the solder paste. Oh God. Okay. Oh yeah, Paul in yes, Paul up in Queensland. Like I can ship it if somebody wants to pay for shipping, I can. But by the time it gets, like it'll just get heated up. Like you're supposed to leave this stuff in a fridge, right? Otherwise, how long does it last outside of a fridge? Does anyone know? Yeah. Anyway, I've got a metric crap ton of it. It looks like I'm going to have to empty my fridge out. I've got a little bar fridge. I don't know how much no, it's not even going. It's not going to take all the weight on the shelf or whatever. I just have to stack them on the bottom. Wow. Your tech amalgamator is still using 2016 paste you bought years back. Yeah, I've heard it. You know, if you keep it cold, it stays like it could last for a long time. Free Mina will pay for shipping to Queensland. Who cares? Just add flux. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So I will announce this on Twitter, I guess, or whatnot. And yeah, if anyone wants free solder paste, come and get it. Anyway, I better go. Thank you, everyone, for helping out. Really appreciate it. The Git thing, shame it didn't work in the end because of the SSL security thing. But yeah, we now have the thing. The source code is now over on the GitHubs. There you go. Fantastic. So I can now paste that. Oh, I can now copy and paste that and tell the person on the forum there is the source code. That only took me half a day. All right. Thanks, everyone. Catch you next time.